Most of us YouTubers are one-man operations. We are the director, the camera guy, the sound engineer, and of course the host of the show all in one person, and we're standing alone in front of the camera. Now with my older Sony cameras, they don't have flip screens, I can see me at all, and on my GH6 the flip screen is pretty small and I don't really know if I'm in focus or not. Now Sony and Panasonic have amazing apps, so you can see yourself live, but if I do this on the phone, it happened to me that I thought I was in focus, but in reality, when I watched the footage on my PC, I saw that I had to start all over again because my eyes were out of focus, not what I anticipated. I am not willing and ready to spend $700 or even more on an external monitor like the Ninja Atmos, and by the way, for the $700 it also gives you just a 5-inch screen, so not really what I need. My thought was, what about a 10-inch display? An Android tablet. Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel Paradise Biz. My name is Dirk, and today we're going to take a look at the Plimpad P3 Pro, a 10.1-inch Android 12 tablet, and we're going to find out if this is beneficial from a creator point of view. In the box we have a 6-inch long USB to USB-C cable, a charger, a manual, a warranty card, and here's our Android tablet. The P3 looks really nice with its metal casing. The heart of this tablet is a 4-core processor, 4 GB of RAM and an internal storage of 64 GB. This is expandable with a microSD card up to 1 TB. The microSD card slot sits quite deep, so if you don't have long nails like me, then you would need the help of a tool in order to push it a bit in or push it out. The front camera is 5 megapixel, the rear camera is 8 megapixel, but I won't review those because me as a creator, I have much nicer cameras at my disposal. Anyways, it's nice that you have these features if you want to use the tablet, for example, for a Zoom meeting. Powering it up for the very first time, it takes quite a while for the tablet to get ready. This tablet supports Wi-Fi 6, 2.4 and 5 GHz, and you will see it connects right away. Now, it takes again a little bit time to get everything set up, and this is a good time for my assistant Kiwi to inspect the new device. Approved. Once the tablet was set up, I noticed right away that the display was so much better than the one that was built into previous versions. This one here is brighter, it is sharper, the colors are so much nicer, and you have tons of options in the settings. With a 3.5mm jack, this tablet allows you to use headphones. Down here we have the power button and a volume up and down button and a tiny reset button. On top we do get the USB-C port and the slot for the microSD card. I wanted to download a couple of creator apps that I would personally use and then test it with this tablet. Now this tablet runs on Android 12 and unfortunately many of my apps are not ready for Android 12 yet. Well, the Sony technicians were very progressive and their Imagine Edge runs on Android 12, so I was able to download and install it. Unfortunately, the Lumix Sync app doesn't work with Android 12. It is not a flaw of the tablet, it is a problem of the time, and I think eventually those apps, they will work with Android 12. Also, my drone app from Autel does not work with Android 12 yet. So unfortunately today we are going to review it only with the Sony app. I also downloaded all the lighting apps that I would need. Pseudophoto, V-Light, Pixel, and it connects right away with their devices and you can operate the lights from this tablet without any problems. What is most impressive, that the Sony Imagine Edge app opens on this tablet and connects to my Sony cameras better and faster than the app installed on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is something that I was not expecting, so I'm pleasantly surprised. The display is nice and bright and it works even in bright sunlight. Still, for outdoor use I purchased a little sunshade to be on the safe side. Everything worked as intended. It's nice that your Plimpad P3 Pro doesn't have a lot of bloatware, so your 6000 mAh battery doesn't drain overnight. In fact, it lasts really long. I also tried to play some games with this tablet and this actually showed me its limitations. First of all, the sound coming from the built-in speakers on the bottom is mediocre. It's lacking bass and clarity. And then again I experienced some lag and stutter during the games. So if this tablet would have a faster processor or at least a bit more RAM, everything would run a bit smoother. But giving the retail price of less than $100, there's not much more that you can expect. In fact, this tablet, the P3 Pro, exceeded my expectations. Does the Plimpad P3 find a place under your Christmas tree? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will definitely respond to you. You know, a free way to support my channel is to leave a like. And if you like my channel overall, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Next Sunday, I'll have a new video for you. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.